Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga and I am on a mission to inspire you to lead a healthy and happy lifestyle. We were talking about sustainable weight loss and today's topic is going to be about food habits. Now, nothing that I am going to say is new to all of you. I am sure all of you would have done your research and analysis about what to eat and what not to eat. But here we are not going to talk about any diet chart or any supplements or any sort of plans to help you in determining what you're going to eat during the day and all of that. What we are going to talk about here is to honor the food that we are eating. So constantly I see a lot of people who are undergoing weight loss journey be so skeptical and in confusion about the food that they eat. They are constantly worrying whether the food that they are eating is right or not. Constantly thinking whether what they are doing is right or not. So if you are constantly worried about this, that is the sort of energy that you are giving to the food. Remember that food is the main source of energy for our body and for our day-to-day functions. If you are filling your food with negative energy, the energy of confusion, the energy of hatred, that is the energy that you are going to carry in your body. So that isn't something that we want, isn't it? We want the energy of positivity. So whatever food that you are eating, remember to respect it. Respect and honor the food that you are eating. Love the food that you are eating. Show the essence of gratitude towards the food that you are eating. That is the first step when it comes to having a good lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle. Honoring the food that you are eating. The second thing to remember is that eat those kinds of foods which are in their natural state. So avoid processed and pre-packed food because these kinds of foods are far away from their natural state. So the more fresh, the more alive, the more natural your food is, the same energy is carried into your body which is going to make you feel more alive and fresh. So that is the second thing that you need to remember. The third thing to remember here is to eat your food on time every single day. Our human body is a creature of habit. If you are putting your body through some sort of routine, our body expects the same sort of routine every single day. So if you are not following any sort of routine, you are confusing your body. So always remember to eat your food on time at the same time every single day. Now, I'm not going to go on a deeper analysis about what you should eat and what you should not eat because what I have been talking from the previous videos is that each of our bodies are unique and what I might say as a general opinion may not suit a lot of you. So that is the reason I am not going to go in a deep analysis. For that you need to have an understanding of your body and you do an analysis as to what you would like to eat and what you would not like to eat. But all I would say here is that make sure each and every meal that you are consuming is well balanced. So you need to get all the nutrients that are required by your body in every single meal. So keep your meals well balanced and keep your meals as colorful as possible. So when I say colorful, I mean to say add in a lot of vegetables in your meals, especially green vegetables which are extremely helpful for you. Another big query that everybody has is should we consume dairy when we are undergoing our weight loss journey? Again, this is subject to each of your bodies, but general preference is to reduce your dairy consumption as much as you can. The next thing to remember is to not skip your meals. I have seen a lot of people who skip their meals thinking that it would help them in weight loss, but that doesn't happen. That is a myth. You need to have an understanding of what suits your body and what doesn't suit, and randomly skipping meals without an understanding is only going to harm your body. The next thing to know is to drink lots and lots of fluids. Keep your body hydrated. Hydrating your body helps in easing out the digestion process and also keeps your body active and fresh. The next thing to note here is to add in a lot of dry fruits, nuts, seeds, sprouts in your meals. Yes, There are a lot of people who end up snacking between their meals, and during this snack time they eat a lot of junk, which also adds on to the weight of your body. So to avoid this, replace your snacks with healthy options like sprouts, dry fruits, nuts and seeds. So these not only reduce your junk consumption and also reduce your hunger pangs, it also helps in getting extra nutrition for your body. The last thing to note here is moderation. Yes, I have seen a lot of people cutting down on things in an attempt to speeden up their weight loss journey, be it sugar, be it junk food, be it refined flour. They have a list of items which they don't consume and think it would help them in their weight loss journey. But what happens is, psychologically your mind is craving for those food items, and the next time you find them you're going to binge eat, which is again harmful for your body. So instead of cutting down on things, believe in moderation. Yes, consume them but in moderation. Know when to consume them and know when you are supposed to stop. And this is when you are going to have a mindful attitude towards what your body requires, and also it will help in reducing the feeling of craving towards these food items. Follow these simple points and watch your weight loss journey speeden up in a sustainable manner. Remember to be a conscious eater and not an anxious one. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want to get in touch with me regarding yoga classes, the links are posted below. Be kind, be present, be grateful. Namaste.